to use ES06X. First, this one is the new design with a rear drive 6.5 inch with a suspension here and LED lights in each side. And the most important is we have the new folding. New folding, I show you. See? It's like this. We are afford it. It's easy. Okay, now I power on. So you can see speed, gear 5, gear 4, gear 3. The middle, you can see the general the audio single trip. Okay, and this one is the throttle. You can go like this. Because here you can brake. Okay, and then you can foot brake. The suspension is very nice. I'll show you use. Okay, I have to show you how to fold it again. Very easy. The lights are here. It's very bright. Okay. And now. Here very important, I show you the LED screen. This one is password control. It means every time you power on, you input the password, then you can start use it. And we have 5 gears. Gear 2, gear 1. Gear 1 is go slow. Gear 1 is go slow. Gear 2 is faster. Gear 3 more faster. Gear 4 much faster. Gear 5 is very fast. Maximum is 24 km/h. But we can upgrade to the 34 km/h. Every fully charged, you can go around 20 to 25 kilometers when fully charged. Okay, now I want to say something about the folding machetics. This folding part is very unique design. Number one, it's not shaking. See, it's not shaking. It's not shaking. It's feel very stable. And also here is the safety. If you want to fold like this way, you cannot. You push here, you cannot fold until you pull and fold. So you must pull first, and then you can fold. And we have two steps. Usually it's like this. You can park it. No need a park stand. Then it's done. When you unfold it, see? First step, this step. It's like this. Anyway, here is very strong. Don't worry, here will be broken. The old one, it will break from here. This one never. Don't worry about this.